Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing how I made some spelt bread. I decided to make some because I love gluten-free bread, and not only that, I was so mad one day I woke up and I didn't have any bread. Okay, stay tuned. So what I start off by doing is measuring out the spelt flour. And for this recipe, I use about 3.5 cups of spelt flour. I then use a teaspoon of yeast, a teaspoon of sugar, and I add in a 1 cup and 1/4 of warm water. It's pretty hot. Well, it was warm to the touch. So I start blending, and I use my blender for about 5 minutes because spelt is not doesn't require as much mixing as the other dough. And as you can see, this is how I was struggling trying to get it off, but yeah, I figured it out. Yeah, so this is how it looks. And after I finished doing that, I grabbed me some oil. I also added some oil into it and some salt while I was blending. And I take it and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Then I let it sit in my pan for about an hour. And I cover it with a wet cloth. And I baked it for about 25 minutes. And this is how it looks. Now, cutting was another thing. I couldn't find my cutting board, so I cut it on top of what I could, okay? And this loaf came out perfect to make what it is I needed. And that was some bread for a sandwich, okay? And I bought these bags. They were kind of short, but I ended up making them work and putting a little twisty tie up there to keep them. I will most likely refrigerate it because I don't have, a lot of preservatives in it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, please don't forget to put some water at the bottom of the oven so the bread can stay moist, okay? Because you don't want no dry bread, all right? And don't forget to oil it up. I put oil at the bottom of the pan, but I forgot to put the oil on top of it, but it still came out good, okay? Yeah, I'll see you guys later.